Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be tackling some of the most common Terraform issues you might run into. Let's jump right in. First up, initialization errors. These can happen if there are problems with your Terraform backend configuration or if Terraform can't find the provider plugins it needs. To fix this, you might need to adjust your backend configuration or install the required provider plugins. Moving on to authentication problems. These can happen for a bunch of reasons, like typos in your credentials, permission issues, or not having the right access. The fix? Double-check your environment variables and configurations to make sure everything is set up right. Next, state mismatches occur when your Terraform state file, which basically stores info about your infrastructure, doesn't match what's actually happening in the cloud. The way to fix this is to use the Terraform refresh command. This will update your state file to match your real infrastructure. Next, we've got resource dependency errors. These occur when Terraform tries to create a resource that depends on another resource that doesn't exist yet. To avoid this, you gotta carefully map out the dependencies between your resources. Think of it like building with Legos, you gotta put the foundation down before you can add the roof. Next, we have syntax or validation errors. These are typos or errors in your Terraform code that Terraform can catch before you try to apply your configuration. To avoid these, you can use the Terraform validate command. This will check your Terraform code for errors before you try to provision any resources. And finally, if your Terraform plan fails to apply, the first thing to do is check the output logs for clues. These logs can help you pinpoint the exact problem. Sometimes, you can also use targeted applies to fix specific resources instead of trying to do everything at once. Alright guys, that's a wrap on some of the most common Terraform troubleshooting tips. If you're running into any of these issues, hopefully, this video gave you a good starting point to fix them. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.